Today we'll be covering superfoods for seniors. It's never too late to change your diet and eating habits. However, as you age, your nutritional requirements change too. So today, I'm going to share with you some of the best foods that you should eat after 60 years old. These are simple, easy-to-prepare meals and ingredients that will make a big difference in your health and well-being. The first superfood for seniors is flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in fiber and help you feel full for a longer period of time. This can be very helpful if you're trying to lose weight, or if you have difficulty eating large amounts of food. In addition, flax seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. This can help prevent diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Lastly, flax seeds also contain lignans, which are phytoestrogens that may help improve bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. You can sprinkle flax seeds on top of your oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. Next up on our list is salmon. As we get older, it becomes more difficult to absorb omega-3 fatty acids from our food. Omega-3 South are important for brain health and can help prevent cognitive decline. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 South, so aim to eat it at least twice per week. Additionally, salmon is high in protein and vitamin D, both of which are essential for maintaining strong bones and muscles. To cook salmon, you can bake it in the oven or pan-sear it on the stovetop. It's important to note that overfishing has depleted many wild salmon populations. Therefore, you may want to consider purchasing sustainably caught salmon to protect these important fish for future generations. Moving on, we have sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamin A, which is important for vision health. As we age, our eyes become more sensitive to changes in light and dark, and vitamin A can help keep our eyes healthy. Sweet potatoes are also rich in fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps to keep our bowels regular and prevents constipation. Lastly, sweet potatoes contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs when our body is fighting off an infection or injury. However, chronic inflammation can lead to diseases such as heart disease and cancer. By reducing inflammation in the body, sweet potatoes can help us live longer and healthier lives. The best way to cook sweet potatoes is to bake them in the oven or microwave them until they re-soft. Then you can either eat them plain or add toppings such as butter, cinnamon, or marshmallows. Alright, now let's talk about Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, both of which are important for maintaining strong bones and muscles. Protein helps to preserve muscle mass as we age, while calcium is essential for preventing osteoporosis and fractures. In addition, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Probiotics are live bacteria that aid in digestion and help keep our immune system functioning properly. It's important to choose plain Greek yogurt without added sugar, as sugary yogurts can contribute to tooth decay and other health problems. You can enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack on its own, or use it as an ingredient in recipes such as smoothies or dips. Next up, we have spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that's packed with nutrients. It's a good source of vitamins, ACK, and folate, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. Spinach is also high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and protect against chronic diseases. It's important to note that spinach contains oxalates, which can bind to calcium and increase the risk of kidney stones. However, cooking spinach can help reduce the oxalate content. To prepare spinach, you can steam it or throw it into a salad. Alright, now let's talk about beans. Beans are a good source of plant-based protein and fiber. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. Beans are also a good source of antioxidants and polyphenols, which have been shown to have various health benefits, including reducing inflammation in the body and protecting against heart disease and diabetes. To prepare beans, you can cook them yourself, or use canned or frozen varieties. Beans can be added to soups, stews, salads, or used as a side dish. Now, let's discuss apples. Apples are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. They're also high in antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. In addition, apples contain phytochemicals such as triterpenoid and phenolic compounds, which may help improve heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. To enjoy apples, you can eat them raw, baked, or stewed. If you have difficulty chewing, you can also blend them into applesauce or apple juice. Okay, now let's talk about another superfood for seniors, broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's high in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Broccoli is also a good source of antioxidants, particularly sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. In addition, broccoli contains phytochemicals such as indoles and glucosinolates, which may help improve liver health and detoxify harmful substances from the body. To prepare broccoli, you can steam it, roast it, or stir-fry it. If you have difficulty chewing, you can also blend it into a smoothie or puree it. Next up, we have oats. Oats are a whole grain that's high in fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Oats are also a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, including manganese, magnesium, and zinc. In addition, oats contain antioxidants such as avenanthrimides, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. To prepare oats, you can cook them on the stovetop or in the microwave. Oats can be enjoyed as a breakfast cereal or used as an ingredient in recipes such as granola bars or muffins. Now let's discuss tomatoes. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to help protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Lycopene is also responsible for the red color of tomatoes. In addition, tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Tomatoes can be prepared in many different ways, such as raw in salads, cooked in sauces or stews, or even blended into soups or gazpacho. Next up, we have turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. It's high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. In particular, the active compound curcumin has been shown to have many health benefits, including improving brain function and reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. To use turmeric, you can add it to curries, stews, or stir-fries. You can also take turmeric in supplement form. However, it's important to note that the FDA has unapproved turmeric as a supplement for any specific medical conditions. All right, now let's talk about nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also high in antioxidants and phytochemicals which can help protect against chronic diseases. In particular, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios have been shown to have many health benefits, including reducing inflammation in the body, improving heart health, and protecting against cognitive decline. Nuts and seeds can be enjoyed as a snack or added to salads, yogurt, or smoothies. However, it's important to consume nuts and seeds in moderation, as they are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. Finally, we have berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They're particularly high in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to have many health benefits, including reducing inflammation in the body, improving brain function, and protecting against heart disease and cancer. Berries can be enjoyed fresh or frozen and can be added to smoothies, salads, or eaten as a snack. While these are some of the best superfoods for seniors, it's important to note that everyone's dietary needs are different. It's always a good idea to consult with a doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the best diet for you. Thank you for watching.